duit YouTube, conas and I'm sure before gone for ach níl sé go flock. Anyway, just thought I'd make this little vlog to thank all of you who have watched my shaver dive video so far. It seems to be really popular. If you like it, you can always leave a comment down below and click the like button. Alternatively, if you dislike it, you can always hit dislike and leave a negative comment down below. Or you can get in touch with me on Facebook and Twitter and all that. So yeah, just if you have any comments or feedback on any of my videos, be sure and let me know, because knowing what you like helps me to make better content. So there you go. The main point of this vlog is really to talk about my summer plans and ask whether any of you Irish YouTubers are going to head to VidCon. I'm thinking about it, I'm planning on doing it. With any luck I will do it. Another activity adventure that I want to do is there's an LGBT climbing convention being held in, I think it's New River Gorge in West Virginia. So I'm thinking of going to that, and that's the end of July. So I was like, okay, that's the end of July. VidCon is the beginning of August. Why don't I make it like a 2-3 week holiday? So that's my plan. I'm looking at flights, and I'm looking at like accommodation. I'm going to be camping when I'm in West Virginia, and then I'll be staying in a hotel, thankfully, when I'm in California. So other than flights, transport to and from each state is going to be expensive. I was thinking I could fly from West Virginia to California, to Long Beach maybe, in California, because it's closest to the VidCon. So like that's pretty much my plan for the summer. So anyone else going to VidCon? Anyone else into climbing? You know, if you're in Ireland and you want to take up climbing, you know, get in touch with a local club, or if you want help finding a local club, or if you want to get involved in our adventure club. I hope to get climbing outdoors started soon enough. We're still pricing gear and putting in submissions for grants, etc. But I'm more than happy to take people climbing indoors in Awesome Walls or Trinity maybe. So that's that. Just wanted to make this quick little update because I was going to do it this morning and it came out nonsense. So I decided I'd wait till after work and make it while I was waiting on my train. So that's what I'm doing now. So I wish you all ihuwa. Gurmila Malka for watching. Agus, slán.